and welcome to Villa Playas Andaluzas in Marbella East. This is the perfect luxury getaway for families. It offers comfort, convenience and sophistication, not to mention the beach is just down the road. Let's check it out. So this incredible villa has 4 bedrooms, each with its own ensuite, 7 bathrooms, there's an indoor-outdoor pool, there's even a cinema room and a sauna, everything for the perfect family vacation. So we're on the upper level with 2 master suites. Let's check out the main bedroom. So this is a huge master suite with a walk-in wardrobe and an ensuite and a huge balcony. So at the end of the day, if you want to enjoy a cocktail or two, this is the perfect place. So as soon as you step outside, you're greeted by a gorgeous swimming pool. You can sit at the bar or in the sun lounges, enjoy a barbecue. This villa is absolutely perfect for families. And do you know what makes Marbella fantastic? It's weather with almost 300 days of sunshine all year round. And now we head down to the basement level. There's a dry sauna, there's a TV room, and my favorite is an indoor heated lap pool. It's like your own private wellness center. One of my favorite parts of this gorgeous villa is when you've finished enjoying the Marbella sunshine, you can come into this beautiful movie room with your friends, your family, and just enjoy a film, have a drink, and just disconnect.